It's all three buys today. We may not be getting too much out of the indices, especially the Nifty and the Sensex, but individually a lot of stocks running along on the fast track. And momentum again today. First is Reliance Communications with a stop loss of 74.5 and a target of 79. SKS Microfinance, it may have had that huge decline until 2 or 3 months ago, but since then it's been rising at knots. This is a buy with a stop loss of 174 and a target of 185. And finally, one of the banks, Vijaya Bank, stop loss of 63 and a target of 67. It is still all buys, even though we are now seeing the mid-cap index in the red after having started off almost 1% up. But I've gone mainly for the defensives and one jack-in-the-box kind of stock which occasionally makes strong moves and doesn't depend too much on the market. First, the defensives. ITC is a buy with a stop loss of 300, target of 317. BPCL with a stop loss of 355 and a target of 375 is also a buy. And the third stock, which is a current volatility plays West Coast Paper with a stop loss of 127 and a target of 135. Well, a number of stocks are down today. The mid-cap index is down today, so at least a significant section of the market is going down, and there is just the one short call anyway. The two buys, however, they are in ITC with a stop loss of 300, target of 317. Defensives are doing well today while there's a lot of profit taking in other sectors, so gone for one defensive. And this stock is making a fresh move and is already at a new high. So once again, ITC stop loss of 300 and the target of 317. Pantaloon has been making pretty strong moves in the last month or so for obvious reasons. It's dipped yesterday, started to move again today, so this is a buy with a stop loss of 227, target of 240. And finally, the last trade is a short sale. It's in Jubilant Foodworks with a stop loss of 1328, target of 1266. This is purely a day trade. The stock has been more sideways than up for the last few months, in fact, and today it's dipping a bit and could be a fairly good intraday short sale.